Hi guys, about 18 years ago I had steamed Brussels sprouts and I didn't like them at all, and just recently I learned how good they are for you, so I decided to come up with a recipe that it's actually palatable and I can tolerate them. So I decided to share this wonderful recipe with you. I hope you enjoy. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in a large baking tray and then spread it with a brush. However, I have no clue where my brush is, so I just did it by hand. And don't do it with paper towels because it's gonna absorb a bunch of the oil. Then arrange the washed and sliced in half Brussels sprouts in a baking tray and scoop a little bit of the oil so it accumulates underneath the actual Brussels sprout. Then sprinkle another 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over the Brussels sprouts and season with Himalayan salt to taste. I usually add about 2 to 3 pinches. I also like to add about 10, 12 to 15 cloves of garlic because roasted and mixed with the Brussels sprouts and my 2 secret ingredients that I'm just about to reveal, they taste so fantastic. But before I get to the secret ingredients, here is how you cook the Brussels sprouts. You will have to bake them in the oven at 415 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then you will have to turn the oven off, switch it to broil, and broil them on high for another 3 minutes. And you will get these nice and crunchy Brussels sprouts. And here are my secret ingredients. The first thing I top my Brussels sprouts with is this balsamic vinegar I buy from a specialty store in Cave Creek, but you can find something similar in the grocery stores. And the second one is this balsamic glaze that it's with strawberries and figs, and it's very sweet. I buy it from Whole Foods, but you can find it in other grocery stores as well. And the sweet of both and the crunchiness of the Brussels sprouts and the sea salt and the garlic, the taste is just fantastic. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.